Lesson 2: Variables and Basic Operations. In this lesson, we'll cover variables and basic operations in Python. Variables are used to store data in a program and are a fundamental concept in programming. To define a variable in Python, you simply choose a name for the variable and assign a value to it using the equal sign. Here's an example. In this example, we've defined a variable named x and assigned it the value of 5. You can also assign different types of data to variables, such as strings, floats, and booleans. Python supports all the basic arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus, remainder. Here are some examples. You can also change the value of a variable after it's been defined. Here's an example. That's it for Lesson 2. In the next lesson, we'll cover control flow statements and conditional logic.